Hello, my name's Hugh Beasley, and I'd like to welcome you to our new office here in Marietta, Georgia. My wife and I have lived here in Marietta for over 30 years, so we're real familiar with the area. We buy houses here in Cobb County, Georgia, Marietta, Kennesaw, and surrounding areas, specializing in East Cobb. We're not real estate agents, so we can save the seller the real estate agency commission, which can be about $21,000 on a $300,000 house, so that can be quite a savings to the seller. Plus, we can save the seller the hassle of having to keep their house always picked up and clean for showings and people tramping through their house all the time, which probably aren't going to buy their house anyway. So we can save them that hassle too by selling directly to us. We do not charge any commission. We close with a local closing attorney, and we pay the closing attorney fees. We do free consultations with the seller, see what they want in selling their home, and we can usually get them appraised value or sometimes more in many cases. So go out to our website, Hugh And Melodie buyshouses.com. That's Hugh, H-U-G-H, and Melodie, M-E-L-O-D-I-E, buyshouses.com. Fill out a little information on what you're looking for in selling your house, and we'd be happy to meet with you on a free consultation, see what we could work out for you. Appreciate your time. This is Hugh Beasley, and you have a good day, and God bless.